Well, it's a very cold day on February 2nd, actually Groundhog Day, and we were using the fireplace for the first time, and within about 20 minutes, the logs became very, very hot, and then, strangely enough, the flue closed and the smoke started billowing into the living room, alarming us amazingly. Then Tamara, using her wits, called 911, and within 10 to 12 minutes, a whole raft of fire engines were on the scene. Well, when Allied got involved, it seemed to be a very organized approach to how we were going to fix the problem, which included painting and refinishing all of the walls and ceilings and so forth. So from the point that Allied got involved, it took a very, very positive turn.
We felt really like things had become chaotic for us. Just our day-to-day life was just dealing with soot. So once Allied got involved, we were just thrilled to get the attention and the walkthrough and the detailed plan with the dates and the start date of Monday. And we felt like regular life was back on track from that day on.
In dealing with our broker and adjuster, we originally dealt with somebody who insures all of our properties around the country, Tom Mack, who then referred us to Cincinnati.
Therese was really helpful because she called me right away and she assured me that everything was going to be okay. And she offered, you know, if we need a hotel, she was very supportive. I remember by now it was in the next holiday, Valentine's Day, a rainy day, and all the electricity was out everywhere. So we were kind of by now a little bit downtrodden, but just talking to Therese, it really made me believe that everything was going to be okay and that there was going to be a time frame to it.
We would rate the whole relationship with Allied on a scale of 1 to 10 as a 10. They were just so helpful throughout the process. You can see from standing in here today that the place is just 100% better, and we just give them as many recommendations as we can.
Dad, I agree. I really felt like Dana and Ashley were very responsive. They were texting me every week, sometimes, you know, multiple times a day, letting me know exactly when things were going to be occurring and the progress of the project, which did stay right on schedule.